Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey, yo, Skilla!
Everybody they do our ribs stick out. So the blood and our body fat out. Oh God. The other body they do. Oh jeez. Yeah, we are gonna oh God, no handball. She must have actually never banned her chef to her body.
So who that brother?
I see that girl there enough party.
Who that brother? My son that?
So that right there, so is scenes from the crime scene of Oney British. That person that is in the car that has been shot and killed is Oney British. It has been reported that he was like he left the stadium and a drive from the stadium coming home, and while he's on Mountain View Avenue, he was he was shot and killed by two unknown assailants on a motorcycle around after 9 Friday, you know, in the evening, you see me, I say, or the night, you see me. Condolences to the families and friends of, you know, of that man. You saw me, I said to you, I mean, we wish bad for no one, and you know, it's another sad event again in Jamaica. Alright, but you don't know, the Dancehall Skilla keep you posted. You saw me, I say, make you know what's going on social media and in Jamaica, the world, you know the things set already. So if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button, let me know what you think. After that, and as always, my name is Skilla, and that we just say is Dancehall Skilla ENT.